Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having an issue on your Windows computer where you are opening up the search menu like this and it says search indexing was turned off, turn indexing back on, the results are incomplete. Search indexing was turned off for complete results, turn indexing back to on. Guys, let's fix that problem. Go to search menu and type indexing option, open it. You just want to click on advanced option over here, guys. Now you need to click on troubleshooting, delete and rebuild index. Click on rebuild. Now you get rebuilding the index might take a long time to complete. Some views and search results might be incomplete until rebuilding is finished. Click on OK. Now here will be run, guys. This will take a long time. Let's wait for it. Indexing in progress. Search results might not be complete during the time. Let's wait for it complete, guys. Indexing completed, guys. After completing this, close out of here and go and restart your PC, guys. You definitely get resolved after this. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope this tutorial definitely worked for you guys. Thank you. Give me a like and subscribe, guys.